how are you? I hope you all are keeping well. Welcome you again on the platform. Don't memorize, just clear the concept. Today we are going to move towards the remaining sums of exercise 2.4. The main objective behind the making of these video lessons is to reduce your cognitive load and enhance your thinking skills. So, moving towards our objectives, let us start. So friends, today we would proceed with the remaining sums of exercise 2.4. Earlier we have discussed half of the sums of this exercise. Now we are moving on the second part of this exercise. So let us move forward. Here is the statement of the sum. Half of a herd of a deer are grazing in the field and 3/4 of the remaining are playing nearby. The rest 9 are drinking water from the pond. Find the number of deers in the herd. Let us understand this statement by visualization. Suppose these are the deers, total number of deers, or this is a herd of a deer. These are grazing, these are total number of deers, and half of them are grazing in a field. You can see that from all of these deers, half of them are grazing in the field and 3/4 of the remaining are playing nearby. If these are half, then remaining would be half. From those half, 3/4 are playing nearby. 3/4 of remaining means 3/4 of half of the deer are playing nearby, and the rest are 9 in number, and those are drinking water from the pond. All these make a herd of deers. From them, half of them are grazing and 3/4 of the remaining. 3/4 of the remaining means 3/4 from the half of the deer are playing, and the rest remaining are in number 9 and they are drinking water. Let us understand once again. These are total number of deers. Let us suppose the total number of deers be x. We don't know the total number of deers. We suppose that the total number of deers are x. Now half are grazing in the field, so they become 1/2x, and half remained here. 3/4 of half, 3/4 of half are playing, and rest 9 are drinking water. Okay, if we add these 9 deers and 3/4 of half of the deers and these half deers, it would constitute to become total number of deers. Okay, so we can write it like the way there's 1/2x plus 3/4 of remaining deers plus
deers drinking water is equal to total number of deers. Okay. Now solving this, we got 1 upon 2x, 3 multiplied by 1, 3, 4 multiplied by 2, we got 8x plus 9 is equal to total number of deers were x. So we wrote it here x. Now it has become a simple linear equation which we have solved earlier. Now we would shift this x to the left hand side and this constant term to the right hand side, because we have to find out the value of variable x. So 1 upon 2x plus 3 upon 8x minus x. When we shift any variable or constant to the other side, its sign got changed. So it would become x would become minus x, and when we would shift 9 to the other side, it would become minus 9. Now we would take the LCM of 2, 8 and 1. It came 8. Now solving this, dividing 8 by 2, we got 4. 4 ones are 4. 4x plus 8 divided by 8, 1. 1 multiplied by 3x is equal to 3x minus. Here in the denominator there is 1. 8 divided by 1, we got 8. 8 multiplied by x, we got 8x. But it is with negative sign. So here we have put the negative sign. Is equal to minus 9. Now we would transpose this 8 to the other side. It is in division. When we transpose it to the other side, it would be in the multiplication. Solving these two, we got 4x plus 3x is equal to 7x minus 8x is equal to minus 9. (7x minus 8x is equal to minus x upon 8 is equal to minus 9. Solving this, we got this. Now minus x is equal to, we transposed 8 to the other side, but now it would be in the multiplication. So minus x is equal to minus 72. Minus minus got cancelled. So x is equal to 72. So what is x? We have supposed that total number of deers is equal to x. But now we have found the value of x, that is 72. It means that the total number of deers were 72. And half of them were grazing in the field. It means 36 were grazing in the field. Remaining left 36, and 3/4 of the remaining were playing. If we calculate 3/4 of the remaining, that is 36, it would come out to be 27. It means 27 were playing and the remaining 9 were drinking water. If we add all of them, it would become number 72. It means the total number of deers were 72. So friends, let's move on to our next problem. Let me read it for you. Aman's age is 3 times his son's age. 10 years ago, he was 5 times his son's age. Find their present ages. So now let us suppose that this is Aman and this is Aman's son. Now we can suppose that Aman's son's age is X years. But Aman's age is 3 times his son's age. So what would be Aman's age? It would be equal to 3x years. Now our statement says that 10 years ago he was 5 times his son's age. Now let us move 10 years back. When Aman was young and his son was very young or very small. Now 10 years ago he was 5 times his son's age. At present Aman's son's age is X years, and 10 years back or 10 years before it would be X minus 10. Let us move in the past. So 10 years ago Aman's son's age would be X minus 10 years. 10 years ago Aman's age would be 3x minus 10, because his present age is 3x years, and 10 years ago his age would be 3x minus 10 years. Now according to question, 10 years back Aman's age is equal to 5 times his son's age. Now here we can substitute the values. Here we would substitute the value of Aman's age 10 years back, that is 3x minus 10. 5 times of son's age 10 years back, his son's age is x minus 10 years. Substituting the values here, we got 3x minus 10 is equal to 5 times of his son's age, which is x minus 10. Now solving this, x minus 10 is equal to 5 multiplied by x is equal to 5x, and 5 multiplied by minus 10 is equal to minus 50. Now 3x minus 5x is equal to minus 50 plus 10. We shifted this minus 10 to the right hand side. When we shift it to this side, it would become with the positive sign. So 3x minus 5x is equal to minus 2x is equal to minus 40. Here subtracting 10 from minus 50, we got minus 40, and subtracting 3x from minus 5, we got minus 2x. Now x is equal to minus 40 upon minus 2. We know that minus 2 is multiplied with x, and when we would transpose it to the other side, it would go in the division. So x is equal to minus got cancelled with minus, 2 ones are 2, and 2 twos are 4, 2 zeros are 0. So we got the value of x, that is equal to 20. And what we have supposed x? This was the Aman's son's age. So Aman's son's present age is 20 years, and Aman's father's age or Aman's present age is 3x. It means 3 multiplied by 20, that is equal to 60 years. So we got the Aman's age, that is 60 years, and Aman's son's age is 20 years. This was asked in our question. Okay, so this is our required answer. Now I am giving you 2 problems that you have to solve yourself. Give them a try. A grandfather is 10 times than his granddaughter. He is also 54 years older than her. Find their present ages. The next problem is, a positive number is 5 times another number. If 21 added to both the numbers, then one of the new numbers becomes twice the other new number. Now, what are the numbers? For your convenience, I am also providing you the answers. You can check out them after solving them. Granddaughter's age is equal to 6 years and grandfather's age is 60 years. And here the numbers are 7 and 35. So, with this we have completed exercise 2.4. It's all for today. See you soon in the next lecture. Till then, bye bye and take care.